Cuban chocolate. We love marshmallows.
You know it's been a good night when you
I couldn't even breathe. Intense. That's like a lot of marshmallows.
Sy het vir hom petrol gegee terwyl sy petrol gegee het. So you would think at the Comics Choice Awards people won't dress up, but dear Lord, you guys did.
Yeah, understatement of the year, you know?
I just love working, and I'm very fortunate that after 31 years I can still work.
You get what I'm saying? Hier is jou flitser vir hierdie week. Ramfest het hierdie week die internationals vir 2014 announced. Kill Switch Engage, Trivium, Camo and Crooked, freaking Foals en my favourite, Buffy Clyro. Hulle kom almal in 2014 Suid-Afrika toe, so gaan na die Ramfest website en kry al jou info daar. Ons was ook laasweek by die Gangs of Ballet launch en 12 ure nadat hulle album vir pre-order op iTunes was, het hierdie awesome foursome van Durban nommer 1 behaal op die local iTunes chart. Baie geluk aan die 4 dudes, ons is moeë trots op julle. En dan laastens is dat 'n vrou in China het besluit om op haar moped te ry en terwyl sy dit doen ook haar kind te borsvoed. Maar die polisie het haar gevang en vir haar 2 opsies gegee. Of jy haal die kind van sy melk af weg, of ons vat jou moped weg. Needless to say, het die kind maar honger gelei. En ons het die beste comedians in Suid-Afrika gaan celebrate en saam met hulle gelag by die Comics Choice Awards. What is the art of funny? Vanaand vind ons uit watter 6 comedians by hierdie jaar se Comics Choice Awards met die loude wegstap as die 6 snaakste comedians in die onderskeie kategorieë. En hierdie jaar is ek nie genomineer nie. Dalk is dit maar net omdat ek Afrikaans is. Kom ons kyk wat gaan aan op die Kaappunt.
Yes? What's the question?
The question is, are you excited for tonight?
No.
Why not?
No, I am.
What are you now?
What are I?
What are you?
Oh my word, are you from CakeNet?
I'm excited about people that are nominated. I'm excited about the people that are performing. And it's always a funny show.
Absolutely, I think it's fantastic.
Tonight we're just excited. I mean, Garrett, like the comics, we know so many, and it's just cool to see our friends.
Yeah, doing well.
Yeah, and being recognized.
Here to represent the CT.
Yeah, absolutely. At the after party.
Thank you very much.
Shots.
Ek sien jy uit na die show vanaand?
Verskriklik baie.
In general, comedians are a big family. I can't even make a joke about that. I mean, well, it's a bit incestuous, maybe that's the joke. But it's an incestuous family where we all love each other.
And who dressed you? Because you're looking very handsome tonight, sir.
He dressed himself. He dressed himself.
And who dressed you? Because you're looking very lovely as well.
Myself.
Let's just do a DIY.
Look, I don't pay attention to clothes. A hat, maybe. I will go out of my way to get a hat. But everything else. These shoes my wife got for me in Brazil a couple of years ago. This shirt was payment in a BEE deal. You can see, obviously. And so was the tie.
Yeah, dress tonight is by Ferial's Closet Makeover, based in Cape Town. And Gareth is wearing some top shop, top man.
Style 5, very.
Yeah, girl.
Nice work, though. It looks really good. You guys are taking over. I mean, I have to say.
That was kind of the intention, you know. Today, Monte Casino, tomorrow, the world. So
You've got an accessory as well. Can we see your accessory with your outfit?
Yes, absolutely. Do you want to see the back of my outfit as well? Because I did.
If you want to, yes.
I tore it. It's quite awful. One of the black people asked me to do a dance move, and I did, and it ripped my pants. So I realized my limitations as a white person, and I no longer do dance moves like the twack or the twacks, the twerkings.
Or like all the other girls have handbags or clutch bags. No, not you.
I have a handbag.
Oh, he's carrying it.
My handbag. This is what it is. This is the change, because people say, what's it like being a female comedian? You're in a male-dominated industry. Really, does it look very male-dominated? I think I'm the dominatrix in this industry right now.
Female comedy, is dit moeilik om 'n female comedian te wees in Suid-Afrika?
Nee, ek het gedink dit gaan wees, maar dit is toe glad nie. Daar's so min van ons. Ons het baie werk vir my. Dis heerlik. En die ouens in die bedryf is so goed en hulle almal help en is it's really not a boys club. Dis baie lekker.
So is it safe to say after tonight we can call you the godfather, not the cousin anymore?
Wow, imagine being the godfather. I'm going to ask you one day to do something for me. I would be honored, but I don't think I've reached that yet. I would love to
thank
sing
you.
because I'm very lucky that I can still carry on and have fun.
Side.
Fan me. Thank you very much.
Oh, me?
Well, you can. Just be my fan. That's what I meant. This is the fanboy. How
I'm a fanboy.
Sean.
Like,
Through that if you're wondering about my look, I'm going for the Afrikaans deep fried man.
We need to really address this head in clothes.
Thank you. Making everybody laugh because of the culture.
so baie geluk aan Kagiso Ledida, Pop Pop, Skalk Besuidenhout, Trevor Noah en Sifiso Nene wat almal weggestap het met 'n award by die Comics Choice en natuurlik die grootte Barry Hilton het die award weggevat vir die Lifetime Achievement in South African comedy. What a legend. So Get Out of the Garage het onlangs as 'n top 10 bekend gemaak. En onder daai top 10 was die Stephen Transit. Nou, Stephen Transit was onlangs in Johannesburg en die kinders was honger en toe vat ons vir hulle maatmelk.
Hi, we're Stephen Transit and you're watching MCAR Flips.
Is it hard to be from Durban and be a band?
I guess it's all up to the band. I mean, if you really want to try hard and play as many shows as you can and get your music out there, then I don't think it's that much of a problem. But yeah, in terms of like the industry and trying to get our music further, I think it's important to,
you can't
tour
stay.
and like go to other cities. You can't stagnate, you have to move around. We're currently working on new material, so we're trying to get in, trying to record an album. Hopefully put it out by next year. See out.
How does the writing process work? Who writes the music, who writes the lyrics?
I generally write the song.
Just for him.
Yeah, and then take it to Irina. Me and Irina work on it a bit. Get our vocals down and then take it to the rest of the guys.
We've got a challenge for you guys. We want to see if you can fit a lot of marshmallows in your mouth. And maybe instead of doing Chubby Bunny, let's just do maybe you should sing.
This is Brother Sister, the Marshmallow remix.
And I have to confess that there's a wooden frame around the pilot light that fills and sparks that burn in light. And yeah, it's bright.
If I could see across the flower ground, across the shoreline and over the curve of the earth, I'd throw a note. Say so, cause the way I see it, I'll still be around, and so will you. I'm the star.
I'm tired of marshmallows.
Isn't that a magical afternoon in Mauritius Dam?
It's the best day ever. Thanks, Impa.
You're good at everything.
Yeah, yes.
This is unfair.
Okay, but open my eyes now.
Now you can try, and this stop.
Hi, we're Sleep in Transit, and you can watch our music video for Brother Sister right here on Anderson's Noise.
En hier is jou gossip vir die week. As jy gedink het Miley Cyrus se twerking is die toppunt van jy weet wat sy gedoen het met Robin Thicke, dan is jy heeltemal verkeerd. Want sy het onlangs ook gepose vir 'n photoshoot. En die photoshoot het baie min vir die verbeelding oopgelos. Jy kan basically weet hoe lyk Miley in die stort. En so gepraat van Girls Gone Cray, Amanda Bynes se psychiatric care is heel moontlik tot 'n jaar verleng. Ek dink hulle moet dit net 5 jaar maak en klaar kry. So katte en die internet is deesdae sinonieme met mekaar. Jy kan nie op die internet gaan sonder 'n foto van 'n kat te sien nie. Nou het 'n Suid-Afrikaanse band besluit om 'n video te maak met katte. En sit te plastics hier. Die man het besluit om saam met 'n paar katte te jam en as jy soos ek is en jy is nie die grootste katmens nie, moenie worry nie. As jy hierdie video kyk, gaan jou sinusse nie oppak nie. Check dit uit en tweet hulle wat jy dink. #OccasionalCats. So deesdae is YouTube ook vol mans wat besluit om kreatief te wees as hulle 'n vrou vra om te trou, maar soms kan dit backfire in jou gesig, letterlik. Dat 'n ou besluit om sy chick te vra in 'n mall, maar die cleaner en die res van die mall se werkers het nie gestop omdat hy gedink het hy's cool nie. En sy het ook vir hom laat verstaan wie's baas. Check hierdie video uit. Onthou, klik, subscribe, doen jou ding hier aan die onderkant. En as jy gedink het die international announcements is verby, nee, dit is nie. Bastille kom ook Suid-Afrika toe in Januarie. Mal! Ons sien jou by die bar.